In this video, we're going to be talking about the different types of slope. So on our notes page, we have a graphic that shows us the difference between a positive, negative, zero slope, and no slope. So we're just going to take a minute and talk about each one. With a positive slope, you'll kind of notice that it's going up through, this is quadrant one, it's going to in the positive direction in quadrant one. So anytime it's going up in this direction, that is a positive slope. We'll notice in the negative slope, it's kind of going at this downward angle. So anytime it's going in this direction, that would be a negative slope. Zero slope, if you think about a ski slope, if there's no slope to it at all, it's just flat. And that's exactly what zero slope looks like. It's just flat. No slope is when I have a line that is vertical like this. It's going straight up and down. Anytime it's like that, it's called zero slope. It's also called undefined. It's also undefined. So anytime it's going straight up and down, that is an undefined slope. Straight across flat, zero slope, going upwards, positive, downwards, negative. Okay? You'll also see where I have, when I look at an equation, it's pretty easy to see the difference between a positive and a negative slope. So if I have my y equals mx plus b, y equals 3x plus 2, the slope is 3. I notice that the 3 is positive. So if that's a positive, then my slope is positive. Whereas over here, I have y equals mx plus b, negative 3x plus 2. My slope is a negative 3, negative number, negative slope. For zero slope, I'll notice it just says y equals 4. There's no x. So if there's no x, I can't have a slope. That means there's zero slope. No x, zero slope. And this is the one that is straight across and flat. For no slope at all, you'll notice that it's kind of weird in this case. There's no y. It just says x equals 4. This is my line that goes straight up and down at whatever the x value is. This is also called undefined. So again, positive, I look for my slope. If it's a positive number, I have a positive slope. Negative number, negative slope. If there's no x, zero slope. If there's no y, there's no slope.